Everyone, Gil at Camp Pat and Family Compound. So I did a short on the harvest of these cantaloupe, gave their the weights and stuff. It came up to just 16 3/4 or 17 3/4. I can't remember which. But anyways, I'm going to cut one of these open, see what it looks like. Wow, that cut through there nicely. Not sure if this is catching on the camera there. I don't think it did, so let me go. There we go. Bring this over so I finish my compost bowl. That looks really good. This one here. I'm not going to save any seeds from this one since I still have a bunch from last year. I do mean a bunch. Plus I got 3 others I could pull seeds from. Maybe when when Chris gets here tomorrow, being Sunday, she may want to save some. Tell me she may want to save some of these from the other cell. But all right, so first thing, take that off. There we go. Got to aim the camera back down again. Sorry, guys. Take that little end piece there off. All right, so this is going to be the only one I'm going to cut up today. And most of this is going to go into a bowl, and I'm going to weigh it out and then use the, Google the calorie per weight on this, so I see how many calories one of these slices is going to give me for my diet, because I'm on the Wide Family Farm weight loss challenge. I don't want to eat too much sugary stuff here. And all right, just had to rinse off the knife real quick over here. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in a bowl, put them in the fridge, and then I'll weigh one of them. And I'm not going to make you watch all this. I'm going to weigh one of them, and I'm going to figure out what the calories are on for that slice. And when I edit this, I should remember to put that in here right now so you know how much one of these, the calories and carbs were for one of these slices. All right, so I may or may not add something else to this. If I do not add something else in it, then over here in this corner here, I'm going to put a video that you should like. Down here will be a playlist on the indoor garden. Over here will be this channel's link for those that aren't subscribed. They can subscribe to it, and up here will be my Gray Man Prepping link. Alrighty, I'll see you later.